Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm finally coming back with another wig review for you guys. This one is a really long unit, and this one is from Red Carpet Premiere, and she is super long. She is 40 inches long, and this is one of the first long hair I'm gonna be reviewing on this channel. I have another one for you guys coming soon. It's a wavy one, but you'll see when I put it up. But this one is super long, and I like how nice this is. This is in a color 1, and it's a hard lace. So for this one, I don't mind it being a hard lace because it will lay a lot flatter as opposed to the soft lace, especially when it comes to this style, because you don't really want to have any lace lifting and looking all crazy. So this is perfect for this specific style and what you're going for. So you're going to be getting that Nicki Minaj or Cardi B type of look. And this has 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back with adjustable straps, so anybody could go out there and rock this wig. And the lace parting isn't too much, it's just a little bit, I'll be like a little piece, but it's enough for you to work with. If you're not feeling that, then you can always find a better option for this wig, but I like it. It's really nice. I love this wig. It looks really cute and natural at the front right here, as you can see. So you could put your little powder or whatever, but with this you don't really have to. In my opinion, it works out pretty good for me. So here's what the stock card looks like here. What I like the most about this wig is that it comes with a variety of different colors. With other long hair like this, you only get like a 1B and a 613. This comes with a good variety, as you can see right here. What I have my eye on is this blue one. It's very nice. I like how this one looks, and it shows you could even braid it here, and it has this nice blonde and this nice brown. And if you're not feeling that, you could always go with the black right here. So this is really cute. Let me pull it to the front. See? Very long. And for reference, I am 5 feet 4 inches tall, so this is reaching me on my thigh area. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is really like long, super long, and it tangles quite a bit at the ends, but it's expected with long hair. So if you're not really feeling that, I mean, it's expected with very long hair. You can always cut it if you want to. Now in the back, it comes with a tape so you could lay it even flatter. With hard lace, as I told you guys, it will lay flat no matter what, but they equipped us with some tape so it could lay flat on your edges, which is good because, you know, if you're the type of person that wants to wear this for the long term, then you can. This isn't actually mine. It's actually, I'm gonna send this to my cousin Suzanne. So if you're watching this, as you can see, it's very nice, and I hope you like it. And if you guys want to follow her, she is a hairstylist in Trinidad, so I will leave her information in the description box below, so you can go check her out. Show her some love on her Instagram. She shows love too, so you guys could go check her out. That's all I have for this video for today, and give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you never miss another video, and I'll check you guys later. Bye.
You know, say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girl